channel and welcome back to another vlog. In today's video, it is gonna be a home update. And if you are new here, just know that I film these videos every single week. We're basically updating our house. I'm showing you realistically what it's like. It's been taking us a while. We've moved in about a year ago at this point. Still not done, but still having fun. We're doing a lot of updates, buying a lot of home decor, furniture, all that good stuff. It's a lot of fun. I encourage you to subscribe. If you're returning, this is nothing new. You know how we do around here. It's all about the switch, change, rearrange. We're gonna do some shopping, some unboxing, all that good stuff. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, if you wanna see how we update the house, all things home decor, a couple of DIYs in there as well, then please just keep on watching. Oh, I thought that was, okay. I'm waiting on my mom and I thought that was her pulling up. Anyway, okay, I wanted to quickly show you guys what I got at HomeGoods. I don't think I even filmed in there. I definitely did not. But we went to HomeGoods and we went to Target yesterday and I wanted to show you what I got. I got some cute stuff. So, okay, I got these really cute bins. I thought these were so cute. I figured I could keep, like, how cute are these? I figured I could keep these in our closets and then just keep like storage items in, especially like that shoe closet or something. How cute is this? But I also feel like it's way too cute to just put in a closet. I don't know, but I just knew when I saw these at HomeGoods that I had to have them. So I got two that are this size and then one that's a little bit bigger. I honestly wish that they would have had like more of the bigger sizes. They had a bunch of like smaller ones as well, but I just knew I had to get this. Like, it just goes with our house so well. It's almost like an olive green and I just love the print. Like, honestly, like if this not material, but if this pattern was even in like a jacket, I would buy the jacket. Like, this is just such a nice pattern. Okay, my mom's pulling up, I gotta be quick. Okay, and then I got a piece of art for Briella and a piece of art for RG. Since we are redoing his closet, I wanted to get a piece of art to kind of put in there because he's gonna have the same closet setup as Briella. And you know how Briella has that space, and I put a piece of artwork in there. I'm gonna change that, but RG's gonna have the same setup, so he needs a piece of art of his own. And it's basically just this like van and palm trees. Super cool, super cute. Hi guys. And then I got this one for Briella. I like the flamingo one, it's cute, but it catches my attention because it's, what's wrong? Because it's so bright. It's such a bright pink. I thought this one, you can't even see, it looks white. I thought this one would be perfect because it's obviously softer. I swear there's something on this. It's ballerina shoes, or ballerina slippers. I don't even know what they're called, but you can't see. It looks like a blank. It's not blank, I promise you. There's ballerina slippers on it, but yeah, anyway. Got that for Brie. Okay, I'm actually gonna pause this. My mom just got here, hold on. Okay, y'all, my mom just left. Let me really rough. I don't think they can see you. Okay, next up, moving on to Target. I got this, what are we calling this? I don't know, it's just a decorative accent. That's what we're gonna call it. It's a decorative accent. It looks like this. I mean, this is like typical, right? Like, I feel like this is everywhere, this type of style. You just put it on top of a coffee table book and it looks so cute. Like, there's something just like so unique about it, but also this is everywhere. I'm sure a lot of you have seen styled accents like this before, but this is heavy. Like, this is so solid. You could tell that this is actually good quality for Target. So I'm really excited about this. Don't know where I'm gonna put it yet, but okay, moving on. I got this tray. It's like a marble, but like kind of stone. I really like this because it didn't look perfect. Like, it looks sort of marble. Actually, I think this is just stone. Like, it just looks very imperfect, very like authentic. I just really liked this. I figured I could put this on our dresser. I could put this on like the entryway table, like any like table really, and just keep little things on it, or just a candle, something simple. But I think this is really, really nice. Okay, so I'm in the process of buying things for fall home decor. I feel like I'm pretty late to the fall home decor of 2021, but either way, it's fine. I got one of these. I think this is supposed to just be like a candle holder or just like it's just a vase. It says just short vase, but I figured I could put like a little like candle in here and that would be really cute. Moving on, I got this tray. I got another tray. I thought this was really, really pretty. Even like in the dining room, like this is just really nice. I feel like it's that like aged brass. It's not that like cheapy, shiny gold. I feel like that gold is on its way out and now it's all about like the aged brass, like more of like a vintage like color. I just think this is really cute. I feel like it doesn't look like Target. Like this looks, honestly, like it kind of looks like it could be like vintage or somewhere unique or one of a kind, and I love that. Okay, moving on to CB2. I placed not a huge order, but I got quite a lot of things. One of them being this jewelry holder. I thought this was really cute. You all know we're working on our bathroom upstairs and like trying to make that make sense and getting different decor pieces for there. So I thought this would be really, really cute, either in that cabinet that I showed you all that I bought or just out. And then if I'm like washing my hands or like about to take a bath, like I can put my rings in here. Honestly, even if I didn't keep it in the bathroom and I just kept it in like my closet, like the glam room closet, I figured this would be cute. Like it's just really pretty. It's girly. It's just like a nice little feminine like decor piece, but also it's functional. It's just cute. It reminds me of like, I don't know, the 1920s and having like perfume bottles next to it. It's just a vibe. Okay guys, and that is pretty much it for the haul. You guys ready to move on?
We said yes.
Yeah. Let's move on. Okay you guys, so change of plans. We got something in the mail from Home Depot, and it is Wait.
Uh-oh.
It's not put together.
Oh, okay.
We got door handles.
Yay.
Yay. Yes, door handle. Okay, this is gonna be the next project. This is what you're gonna see in every home update. There's gonna be a small little segment. We're gonna inch our way through the house and change all the door handles. So, we are starting in my office, so we're gonna switch out these door handles, singular we. Rob is gonna switch them out. This is gonna look cute. Oh, come on. It's gonna be all black. I talked about this literally a year ago when we first moved in. This is one of the things that I wanted to do, and we're finally doing it, but it's expensive. Just in the office, like these door handles was like over $100, which I don't, maybe that's not. But to do the whole house, like this is gonna add up pretty quickly. So we're doing it, we're gonna inch along and get this done.
Thanks.
So, you ready, Rob? This is the Rob job.
I got this.
Here we go.
Understand the things that we want, but you keep coming back. I want love you don't know.
You guys, I am literally dying right now. I love the door handles. I feel like they made such a huge difference to even this like wall of closets. Like it looks awesome. Obviously, it goes without saying, we still have to either spray paint the hinges or just switch them out to all black because right now they're clearly silver. But other than that, I love them. I think they look awesome. It's such an upgrade. Let me show you from the other side. Like this is just everything. Like I think it looks so much better. Like even just walking into the office, like they're so much more sturdy. It feels more natural because they're not like an actual like working, what is this, like a lever. It just feels more natural to push because you had to push to open the door anyway because there's no latch, like it never locked. So like, of course you want to naturally just push it open. So anyway, this is what it's looking like. I'm really, really happy with it. Rob did such a good job. Of course, as usual, give this video a thumbs up for Mr. Build It Rob. Okay, you guys, so I actually completely forgot to show you more stuff that I got from Target. I got this mirror here. I thought this was really, really pretty. I just have it on this table for now. This is not where it's gonna stay. I wanna try it above the mantle in the sunroom, and then maybe I could even put this like in a hallway. I don't know, but I just thought it was so cute. Like, hold on. Can you see? Let me move it so you can really appreciate it. You can look at the picture right there. I just think this is really, really pretty. I love the bezeled like edging around here. I love that it's wood. And I just thought it would match perfectly with the aesthetic of our home, like the tan with the white, with pops of black and gray. Like I just thought it would match. So we're gonna experiment with that. And then I got these two vases right here. Ooh. These are actually kind of heavy. I love this one. This one might be my favorite. Well, I don't know because I like the other one too, but for different reasons. I thought this would be beautiful on this mantle right here, just kind of in the center. I thought this would look really pretty. It looks very like vintage and one of a kind, even though, I mean, it's Target, it's not. But I just thought it was really, really pretty, cute, kind of give it that like rustic, I guess, vibe. And then I love this vase. It's like a very, very dark, I guess like amber, almost like an olive. It kind of has like an ombre effect where it's darker down here and then it kind of gets lighter. I really, really like this vase. It's a smoked glass vase. Whoa, did you hear that echo? I just thought this was really pretty. I figured for fall, so I probably am gonna put like flower picks in here. I think would be very, very pretty. Not sure where I'm gonna put this. I could put it over there. I mean, there's like endless spots, right? So we'll see, but I'm really excited about that. So those are the three other pieces that I didn't show you, and now it's time to style. I'm gonna try to put everything in the house and see how it looks. So cue the montage. Guys, so here is an update to the sunroom. I just added the new Target pieces, some pieces that I had before, just kind of mix and matched. Added my little bunny tails. I had some left over. These are from CB2. I'll try to link as much as I can, but I think the mantle looks nice. Like I think it looks really, really cute. Love the mirror. I love like the new modern marble with like still kind of like that like lived in vintage style up at the top. I think this just looks really, really cute and worldly. I don't know, the word worldly comes to mind. I think it looks just very lived in. I'm just excited that I'm able to decorate with pieces that like I've accumulated over the year, and just being able to like pull different things from other areas and switch it around is just everything. So the mantle is complete in the sunroom. I must say, like I'm done. Like I'm happy with this. I don't need to like rearrange this anymore, but the sunroom definitely needs work. This corner's good, couch is fine, you know, like we're getting there, but yeah, we need to get a couple more things and like really make it something special. But the mantle's done, the mantle looks good, so progress. Okay, and this is what the entryway is looking like. I just put the art piece that was on the mantle right here for the time being. I was clearly like playing around with stuff. I have like the lamp down there, like we were switching, changing, rearranging for real. And I just figured like I'll just keep it simple for now. I ordered a piece of art that won't be in until like the end of October, maybe early November. So for now, this is what the entryway table is gonna look like. I just didn't want it to be blank, even though I'm not keeping it like this. I still wanted like a little bit of decor, and I think it looks cute. Okay, you guys, can we just take a look at all these boxes? Hold on. Y'all, it's about to go down. It is about to go down. We have all of these boxes from Pottery Barn. Ready, Rob?
Yes.
Let's go. Let's start opening these. I already know what they are. Literally, what I ordered should not be this big. I think the box is just big. Okay, we got frames. It's a little washed out on camera, but We got frames with an oversized mat inside, and I think these are gonna look awesome. They're going in our bedroom. So let's just do a little time lapse of us unboxing all of these and then hanging them up. I'm so excited. We got 9 of them in total, so we're doing a gallery wall.
Girl, you're fine, not gonna lie. I just wanna make you my, yeah. What you gonna do about it? Well, let's pretend we stay just friends. Would you find some other guy when the night ends? What you gonna do about it? Tell you what, let's forget about it. You've got enough fancy friends and a way about you. Like your luck, it's never ever gonna dry up. No.
You guys, look at the frames. I love how they turned out. I think they look awesome. I'm all the way back here because I'm trying to like catch the light. But this is the Instagram picture right here. Like, this is definitely like the picture-esque corner. Absolutely love it. I'm gonna try to get close so you all can see the different pictures that we had printed off. They're just family pictures. Some family pictures over here. If you follow me on Instagram, these should look very familiar. The sold sign, family pictures, more family pictures. Us in New York, sorry, there's a glare. Us in New York, family, a New York one, had 2. When we first moved in, us in New York, and then just like us in the kitchen. So yeah, just cute little pictures. I got them all in black and white, of course, to match the aesthetic so that it all looks very uniform and clean. And I absolutely love it. I am so happy with this. Good job, Rob. And good job me for picking this out. Shoot, give myself some credit.
All right, as you guys can tell, got some energy tonight. I feel good. Shout out to the 3XT, you know what I'm saying? I feel like it's back in style, you know? Bring back 06, shout out the class of 06, you feel me? DIYers out there, let me show you a little trick. So this nail is sticking out a little bit and I can't get the hammer all the way in. So we're gonna get another nail right here. Just kind of hold this in the center of the other one. Make sure you're nice and balanced. Start tapping away. Awesome. And that one is done. Now let's go ahead and get the shade up. Boom. All right, we now have a shade. It looks perfectly even. I gotta put the little plastic piece in at the bottom. All right, we now have a shade. Oh, and it works. Oh my gosh.
See.
That's so satisfying. I am recording, so everyone say hello to YouTube.
Hello, vlog. It looks so good.
Yeah, it does. Looks really good.
Wow.
And then just,
Oh.
you know.
Okay guys, so this is what the shade looks like in the daytime. Not gonna lie, at night, last night, I was a little bit concerned because it kind of just looked like a paper, like you know those backdrops, like those paper backdrops, it literally looked like a roll of paper and I was like, oh, I don't know about this. But I like it. It's kind of hard to see. Hold on, let me turn on a light. I don't know if that makes it better or worse, but basically this is what it's looking like. We finally have a shade on there. That really should have been like one of the first things we did, but anyway, it is what it is. It's up now. And yeah, looks good, looks pretty good. So we obviously still have to do like more work in this bathroom. I want to get rid of those products. I told you I got a cabinet that's gonna go here. So yeah, also this is what the lamp looks like. I don't know if I showed that. I definitely did not in the last video when I purchased this lamp. I really like this. This is from Home Goods. And it's just really nice when I'm taking a bath, to have dim lights, even sometimes because, here, let me turn off. So it's kind of like it's a vibe. I just really, really like it. It makes it just a little bit more soothing when you're taking a bath. I feel like I say this all the time, but I am such a lighting girl, so this is everything to me.